In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect files and folders in OneDrive. This process is straightforward and can help you ensure your important files are backed up and accessible across different devices. Let's dive right in. First, take a look at your taskbar, usually located at the bottom of your screen. You should spot the OneDrive icon. It might look like a little blue cloud. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will bring up the OneDrive menu, providing you with several options to manage your OneDrive settings and activities. Now that you have the OneDrive menu open, the next step is to click on Settings. This action will lead you to a drop-down menu filled with options that allow you to control various aspects of OneDrive. From this drop-down, you'll need to select Settings once more to access additional configurations. Once you're in the Settings area, look towards the top or side for the Sync and Backup tab. The name might vary slightly depending on updates or your OneDrive version, but typically it's labeled as Sync and Backup. Click on it. This tab is crucial as it houses all the important settings related to how your files are synchronized and backed up through OneDrive. Now within the Sync and Backup tab, you will notice an option that says Manage Backup. Go ahead and click this. Managing your backup gives you a clear overview of everything that's being stored in the cloud, and you'll have the flexibility to make changes as needed. At this stage, you should see a list of folders that are available for backup to OneDrive. Here, you'll want to carefully select the folders you wish to move to OneDrive. Typically, your desktop, documents, and pictures folders are some common choices. Selecting these means that every file within those folders will be included in your OneDrive backup. After making your selections, look for a button labeled Save Changes. Click this button to confirm and activate your selected folder backups. This action ensures that the files and folders you've chosen are now redirecting and syncing with OneDrive, keeping them safe and readily accessible. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully redirected your files and folders to OneDrive. Moving forward, your selected folders are automatically backed up, providing peace of mind and easy access from anywhere, as long as you have internet connectivity. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance with OneDrive, be sure to consult Microsoft's official guides or reach out to their support team. Thank you for watching, and happy file managing.